Do you have restrict PDF file? As you can see, this PDF files has restriction on it. This file cannot be printed, copied, or edited. Your PDF file has had password security and other restrictions added. Do you want to print restrict PDF files? Do you want to edit and copying your restrict PDF file? But how to remove restrictions in PDF file? Firstly, download BitRecover Unlock PDF and open it, to remove the restriction PDF file. As you can see, the software interface is clear and intuitive. Now, go to Import tab and select Locked PDF file from saved location. Now, you can see the number of PDF files selected for the task. Now, click on the Save As button and make a new folder and rename it for saving the converted file, and then click on OK button. Finally, tap on Unlock PDF and enter the password to open the PDF file. Then, click OK button. Now, your PDF file is unlocked and conversion process completed, and taps on OK button. Trial version will add watermark in your PDF file. The software opens the resultant file on your mentioned location. Right-click the PDF and select Open with as Adobe Reader 9.0. Here you can see all the restrictions has been removed in your PDF file. You can print it, copy it, or edit it. Your PDF file has had passwords removed successfully.